So I picked up a bunch of grinders the other day off of Kijiji. Got a really good deal. Unfortunately, my shop's kind of small and I don't really have a good place to store them, especially whenever I'm trying to use them. So today, I'm gonna make a grinder holder for my little bench here. I've got a piece of aluminum flat stock that I've used for various other projects. It actually held the hose reel on my first compressor, if there's ever any images of that. But I've ended up doing whatever with it, use it. I haven't used it in a little while, so it's gonna be good for this project. I'm gonna tie it onto my bench here, right across there, with some standard household copper wire. And then hang my grinders from it. See how that works. Ta-da, it works. Little wire, little flat stock. I want to see how many I can fit on there. Well, it looks like 3 will fit on there. I could probably put one out here on the side, but I probably want to bend that around or do something with that. Works pretty good. They're easy to get off here. Somewhat easy. Yeah. The cords are a bit tangled, but yeah. So it's right in there. Pretty slick.